Alright, you saw the noise it made. Well, I came down here, popped the motor off. It's just 3 little screws, and it was missing some teeth. That was initially way back here. So when it would come up, it would get stuck up there. So what I did is I took this bolt out, rotated this 180 degrees, so now it's not where it'll ever touch the motor gears, and I'll put it back together and test it. I think this is going to work. Everything's back in place. Moment of truth. What's going to happen? I think it's good. Bonus. Seems like it keeps trying though after it closes. Oh. Now it's screwed up again. Darn it. Alright, well that didn't fix it, but I did notice the center of that hub, this gear spins on there, so that's a problem. So I'm going to put a little tack weld on there so that can't spin anymore and see what happens. Alright, we got some weld on there, grounded a little bit so it wasn't quite so large. Just basically a couple tacks around there, and we'll just see what happens. It's either going to work or it won't. Alright, moment of truth. I'm going to hardwire this in someday because I don't like that. Come on baby, please work. It went out. Ho ho! Did we get her? Didn't think we got her. Great success, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, check out the links down below. Appreciate you watching this. See you on the next one.